Welcome to How To, and our today's quiz is all about prepositions of time and place. Under these prepositions of time and place, we are going to see at, on, and in with their uses. So, before dealing with the quizzes, let's try to see the uses of these three prepositions. At is used for the exact or specific time, or clock time, or exact period of time, and it's also used for exact location and address. And on is used for days and dates, and also roads and streets. In another way is used for years, months or seasons, towns, cities, villages and countries. So in general, as we go from at to in, from the smaller time periods or smaller areas through on, it goes to the bigger time periods and bigger areas in. Here, for instance, if you take the exact location or the exact address is a bit smaller than the roads and the streets, which is smaller than towns, cities, villages, and the countries. Therefore, it goes from the exact location to the broader or to the bigger towns, cities, and villages and the countries. From the specific time to days and dates, and to the bigger time, year, months, or seasons. So, having this in mind, let's try to see the following exercises. Let's go. Question number 1. The concert begins blank 7 p.m. A. On. B. In. C. At. Good. The answer is at. We use at for exact or specific times. Question number 2. My cousin was born blank April. A. On. B. In. C. At. The answer is in. We use in for months, years, and seasons. Question number 3. We will meet blank Friday afternoon. A. On. B. At. C. In. The answer is on. On is used with days, even when combined with parts of the day. Afternoon is the part of the day, Friday is the day. Their combination brings on to be the answer. We will meet on Friday afternoon. Question number 4. The bus leaves blank noon. A. In. B. On. C. At. The answer is at. At is used for exact time such as noon or midnight. Question number 5. Our vacation starts blank July. A. At. B. On. C. In. The answer is in. In is used for months. Question number 6. They usually watch TV blank the evening. A. At. B. In. C. On. The answer is in. In the evening is the correct expression. Some prepositions can be tricky. Example, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. Question number 7. The meeting is scheduled blank Monday. A. At. B. On. C. In. The answer is on. We use on for days of the week. Question number 8. She goes jogging blank the morning. A. On. B. At. C. In. The answer is in. In the morning is the correct for parts of the day. Some prepositions can be tricky, as we have said previously. Example, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. Question number 9. Let's have lunch together. Blank noon. A in, B at, C on. Very good. The answer is at. At noon is used for a specific time. Question number 10. The shop closes blank midnight. A on, B at, C in. Nice. The answer is at. At midnight refers to a specific time. Question number 11. They moved to a new house blank 2020. A in, B on, C at. The answer is in. In is used for years. Question number 12. We go on a family trip blank Christmas Day. A in, B on, C at. The answer is on. We use on for specific dates and days. Question number 13. The children play outside blank summer. A on, B in, C at. The answer is in. In is used for seasons. Question number 14. The train arrives blank 6:45. A on, B in, C at. The correct preposition that we are going to use here is at. At is for exact times. Question number 15. Her birthday is blank the 14th of February. A on, B in, C at. The answer is on. On is used with dates. Question number 16. He likes to read books blank night. A in, B on, C at. The answer will be at. We say at night. Question number 17. The flowers bloom blank spring. A on, B in, C at. The answer will be in. In spring refers to the season. Question number 18. The class will begin blank Tuesday morning. A on, B at, C in. The answer will be on. Use on for days plus parts of the day. Question number 19. I will call you blank the weekend. A in, B on, C at. The answer will be on the weekend, this period of days. Question number 20. He arrived blank the same time as me. A. At. B. On. C. In. The answer is at. We use at for a specific moment or points in time. Great. Question number 21. They got married blank 2012. A. At. B. On. C. In. The answer is in. In is correct for years. Question number 22. The party is blank Saturday night. A. At. B. On. C. In. The correct answer will be on. Use on with days plus parts of the day. Great. Let's go. Question number 23. We eat breakfast blank the morning. A. In. B. At. C. On. Very good. The answer is in. In the morning is the right expression. As we have said previously, some prepositions can be tricky. Example, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. How did you get so far? Great. Let's go. Question number 24. The bell rings blank 8 o'clock. A. In. B. On. C. At. The answer is at. At is used for exact clock times. Question number 25. My family travels to the countryside blank August. A. In. B. At. C. On. The correct preposition will be in. In is used for months. Question number 26. She met her best friend blank her birthday. A. At. B. On. C. In. Very good. The answer is on. We use on for specific days or dates. Question number 27. I prefer to study blank the afternoon. A. On. B. In. C. At. The answer is in. In the afternoon is correct. As I've said previously, some prepositions can be tricky. Examples, we say in the morning, in the afternoon in this case, and in the evening, but at night. Question number 28. The stars are bright blank night. A. In. B. On. C. At. Good. The answer is at. We say at night. Some prepositions can be tricky as I've said before. Example, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night in this case. Question number 29. They usually go skiing blank winter. A. On. B. In. C. At. The answer is in. In winter refers to the season. The last question, but not the least. Question number 30. The teacher will arrive blank 9:15 a.m. A. On, B. In, C. At. The answer will be at. At is used for specific clock times. Great. How many did you get right? Put your answer in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get the next quizzes. See you.